course, being the Stylish Dragon and the products that we have, I have to show you how absolutely perfect this light is with the twist and stand system. Okay, first I'm going to go with the junior stand here. The junior stand holds up to 5 pens, and it can sit like this so your pens are horizontal, or it can sit like this so your pens are vertical. And I will show you that. We have a prepped InkJoy gel pen right here. I've already cut the clip off and sanded down the areas that I wanted to sand down. And then this is the standard pen twist. It fits the InkJoy gel and the Sharpie S gel. So you just twist that on there. The threads match up with the threads on the inside, and you can just twist that right on there. Now there's 2 ways that you can use this with the light. I have my prep wand here. I'm just going to go ahead and put that on. Now let's say I just am doing 1 pen. I'm not going to do a bunch of pens right now. I'm just doing 1 pen. I'm going to go ahead and put my skim coat on here, put my glitter on here, and I'm ready to cure. I could just hold this and hold it under the light, just like this. Spin it if I feel like it, you know, and make sure that everything is nice and even, of course, and you can hold it under the light like this. Or if you don't want to have to sit there and hold it, then you grab your Twist Stand Junior, just spin that right on. And you don't have to spin it all the way down to the bottom, just spin it on there so it's, you know, twist it so it's on there. And look at this, guys. It fits in there perfectly. It's absolutely wonderful. Let me show you without making too much. You can see on the inside here, there is the Twist and Stand Junior stand. And we've got the pen on here. And look at that. It sits right on top of that mirrored bottom, so you have the full 360 curing from the lights on there. Now, there's another great thing about this. The other way that you can stand it, if you wanted to have if you wanted to cure them up vertically for whatever reason, maybe you've got drips on there and you want to keep it standing vertical for the drips. Well, this stands up on its own. It'll hold like that. And what I'd like to do is, whoops, just keep pushing a bunch of buttons apparently. So take the bottom off just so that you can set your stand on the inside. Once again, let's take a little field trip with the phone. So as you can see, there's the top of it. It sets in there just nicely. And once you have it inside, you can go ahead and throw your magnetic base back on and it'll cure. And while we have this vertical, I'm going to show you how you can also use it with the original twist stand. It fits. It's not a perfect fit, but it will fit if this is, you can finagle it, I guess you could say. So I'm just going to twist my pen twist onto the original twist stand, and you can slide that in there. You'll still be able to fit 9 pens on here if you want to, if you're going to leave this bottom part open. Or you can fit, I would say safely without anything touching, you could fit 6 and then lean the base on there like that, just so that it's not pushing on the stand. You actually could probably fit 9 in there since it's not pushing on that top part, but this will still give it the reflection and just maximize the light, the UV light on there. So many options with the new Magic Cure lamp from Resin Rockers and the twist and stand system. I love it, and I know that they have been working on this for a very, very long time. They're excited to have this. I'm excited to have this, and you guys should be excited to have this too. So you can get yours at thestylishdragon.com/get resin rockers and just look for the Magic Cure lamp. Thanks, guys.